Hey, my name is Charlotte. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Whirlpool SHELF-WIRE part #W10838310. Whirlpool SHELF-WIRE part #W10838310 is a replacement shelf wire for Whirlpool refrigerators. It is made of durable metal and designed to fit into the refrigerator's interior. The shelf wire is used to support shelves and other items in the refrigerator, helping to keep them in place and organized. The part number W10838310 is specific to Whirlpool refrigerators, so it should not be used with any other brand of refrigerator. This shelf wire is easy to install and comes with all necessary hardware for installation. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a wire shelf for a Whirlpool refrigerator. It does not fix any symptoms, but it can be used to replace a damaged or missing shelf in the refrigerator. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by removing the existing shelf wire from the refrigerator. To do this, you will need to unscrew the screws that are holding it in place. 2. Once the screws have been removed, carefully lift the shelf wire out of the refrigerator and set it aside. 3. Take your new Whirlpool shelf wire part #W10838310 and place it into the refrigerator where the old shelf wire was located. 4. Securely fasten the new shelf wire in place using the screws that were removed earlier. Make sure to tighten them securely so that they do not come loose over time. 5. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.